Breathe on that old key, bud. So I said we'll get some updates with this, and I promise we're going to. We're getting there. But I've got it running pretty well right now. Now granted, this is my gas tank off my old John boat. Kind of just got it ran up. Got me a little electric fuel pump thrown there for right now. Yeah, I had to purge something, take something out, but it is the GM HEI kit put on there. I'm gonna do away with the mechanical pump. That's the second mechanical pump I put on it. But this thing is set since 2007. I'm pretty sure I was probably the last person that drove this Jeep. For those that don't know, this was my grandfather's who passed away in February. This was his Jeep. A lot of hunting memories and stuff in this thing, so it's not gonna be out of the usual for me because I'm not gonna cut it up. I'm factory restoring this, but it's so cool. I love this thing. It's so cool. I've got a hole in the floorboard right here. I gotta get fixed. Pretty much everything else is here. I gotta get this seat reupholstered. That one right there is good, needs a good cleaning. The back seats are great. Interior, the hard top has done its job and kept itself really well. Gas tank is over here. I kind of threw it over here the other day. Let's see. I don't think you'll be able to see in it, but it's full of rust. I thought I was gonna save it, but you can buy a new gas tank for like, I got a hat on, but you can get a new gas tank for like 70 bucks off of eBay. So I got a new gas tank, new fuel lines, everything coming in for it. So I'm really excited. It's an 80s model. The tub has been put on years ago, 4th of July. It was before I was even born. So I think it was like 86, 87, something like that. My dad and another friend of his was pulling a 4th of July float with this Jeep and jackknifed it, flipped, destroyed the tub, blah, blah, blah. My grandpa put this tub on here, and it was originally like the golden brown color, and he's the one that painted it this black silver, so that'll be the color. As much as I don't want to, that was the color he done, so that's gonna be the color I'm gonna go back with. But fun stuff. These tires are the original tires off the Jeep. This one over here was actually, yeah, this one was the one that was on the spare that I just took off to put on here because the other one was dry rotted, busted up real bad. So it's wild. It's wild. But my plan is, I'm gonna show you the videos now of us pulling it out of the weeds and everything. But my plan is just a small, like skyjacker, 2.5-inch lift, just because that goes with the era. Skyjacker stuff's super nice too. Don't think nothing about that. So 2.5-inch lift. Maybe it's at 31s. I'd like to do like some of the raised white letter super swampers, just because it fits the time. But I really think I'm gonna put Maxxis on it. I mean, anybody who knows me, let's see, get in here in the garage. I mean, those are for the ZJ. Got a lot of different things for us, but can't tell. Gas tanks on it. Warn winch. Yeah, I know everybody wants one. This one is it's got the sticker on the top that it is Jeep modification, whatever, factory from Jeep, factory worn winch, plate, mounting plate, all of that, and it still works. So a lot of cool things here, but I wanted to give everybody an update, just a small update. Before I'm mad on it, I know I kind of teased it a little bit, but it's gonna be a short video. As I do stuff to this, I'm gonna bring y'all along for the ride. It's something different for me. Mostly it's been racing videos and stuff like that, but this, if any of y'all don't watch it, don't care about it, that's fine. This video for me is just more of recollection and going back to, for the memories more than anything. These videos are going to be for myself, but if y'all enjoy them, that's cool too. But I appreciate everybody, and I'll keep you updated as we go along.
Whiskey Outdoor Adventures here. Found the old Jeep sitting in the woods. Thought we'd acquire it and build it. Now the thing is, how do we get it out? Oh, we use that beast. Look at there.
I wish you would have seen me loading that thing like my house on the trailer. I'm putting Michael in the danger zone right here.
How do you open the door? It's locked.
Is it locked?
I think so.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the seats are ruined. One seat is.
Yeah.
Door handle's rusted.
Alright.
Keep the thing fixing to attack us.
Don't slam it. You ready? Attempt to pull the Jeep out, take one. Look at this thing.
Hey, look here.
Factory winch controller.
Let me look in there. Let me get up in that thing.
That's supposed to pull thing.
Hey, raise that hood for me. Document everything so when it's done, we'll have it all. You can document a lot of it underneath. It's the initial.
I was disappointed because we ain't got a factory tack or a factory cloth. The best he's ever felt right there. Crazy! What do you think about it?
Yeah, outdoor adventures all day, baby.
You gotta get this thing around here to pressure washer. I know she looks rough. She'll be something by next August. She didn't clean up half bad, honestly. That's fine. Dry that seat up.
Huh?
Dry that seat up.
That do good.
Yeah. You did good, buddy.
It runs! Don't mind the wiring, but 60 pound oil pressure. That'll do. That's definitely low gear.
Yeah. They're low.
Yeah.
Oh, that's, I don't know what that's something squeaking in the front.
That sounds like a huge one.
It may be the brakes making that noise. Yep.
You know, cruising around the yard in my Chariot. Yeah, that's my gas tank up there. I gotta get power steering put on it. So I've been doing some good carb tuning here. Oh, get off in this over here. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta do like every guy that's trying to sell something on Marketplace. Reach out here. They're cold as ice, man. They're cold as ice. Ain't nothing, no heat in her at all. Everything's cold. Complete cold start. Breathe on that old key, bud. Yeah, that'll do. Not mad about it. Not at all. So yeah, that pretty much sums up what I'm trying to achieve with this video. We got her running really good right now. Yeah, it's this is more of documentation for myself, if not more than anything. It's me trying to document the complete process of going through this. I've got some more parts ordered. Stuck around here. I'm gonna put power brakes on it because if you look, turns out, if you look at the way this body mount is right here for the grill, see how it's offset to the side and it's actually not up here on the top? Well, this Jeep was a factory, this tub would have been a factory power brake tub. So, I mean, of course, that's just gonna benefit me as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. I got the power steering brackets and the power steering pump right here. So I'm gonna get that put on sometime this week, and hopefully I'll get my power steering situated out. A bunch of wiring. So with the GM, flip around here, HEI kit, it comes down to just one wire, right? And it's going to come off your ignition. This is temp, this is sending unit, but this module, let me get you down in here. This module right here, all of this is going away. That was the old ignition module style, so that does away with any of that, and a lot of these wires I've just kind of got pulled up right here. I'm gonna start cutting that wiring harness completely out and getting rid of a lot of that junk. Fuel line should be here in the next week, so probably next week or so I'll start doing that and get you updated on that. But my goal is to get this thing running great before I start tearing it apart This hood is rusted really bad. It's really flimsy. I don't know if you can't really tell it up there, but it's rusted about in two. The fenders are really bad off. You can see where they've been creased and hit and stuff. My grandpa wasn't necessarily easy on things. Let's see if you get right here. Yeah, you can see how bad they were rusted. So the whole front clip, as in the hood, the front fenders, the grill's in pretty good shape. I probably won't buy a new grill, but both front fenders, both hood, all of that, that's getting replaced. So once I get those in, get everything ready, then we'll start getting stuff ready for paint. But this pretty much sums up where I'm at in life. I'm just, like I said, I appreciate you if you followed along with this video. If not, if this is not your forte, I'm sorry, just scroll past it. This is more a documentary for myself, and I didn't want to create another YouTube channel just for this. So, appreciate it, and here in a couple weeks, if you enjoy it, we should have another update.